Watanabe. I'm in 8th grade at Ridgecrest.
Now, I heard you won 2 ribbons today, 2 blue ribbons. What were those in?
The first one was in showmanship, and then I just got one in trail.
Now, how long have you been riding?
I've been riding since I was 6.
And what's your horse's name? I guess the barn and show name.
His name is Stanley, and shows his diversity.
And who do you train with?
Jan Ball.
And what do you like about being part of the equestrian team at Ridgecrest?
It's really fun because, I ride him every day, and it's just really nice to be a team with the horse, and there's so much you can do together. It's really nice.
Now, do you hope to take your riding to the next level, obviously for you, to high school and then college?
Probably in high school, but I don't think so in college.
Now, do you have any, some of the gals have little things they do before a ride to get prepared mentally, like they'll wear a special bracelet or something like that. Do you have anything like that?
Not really. I kind of, this is my lucky shirt, but other than that, I'm not really superstitious.
Now, I understand that these shirts are really expensive and a lot into them. So those secrets do you do the sewing yourself, or do you have someone else doing it? How's it work?
No, I buy my shirts from, other people, and I have never made a shirt, and I'm pretty sure it's really hard, because you have all these little beads that you sew on, but no, I just get all my shirts from other people, so, yeah.
And for you, last question, why did you choose Western as opposed to English?
I actually did ride English a lot, but when I came here, I wanted to try Western. Well, I originally started riding Western, so I kind of wanted to go back to Western, and then I found Jan, and I found him, and he was just a perfect match, so